Hello my dear students. Today I am here with the explanation of most important questions and basically all the questions of exercise 5.2, that is lines and angles. And here I have taken first question, and the first question is state the property used in each of the following statements. So here the first part is, and the figure I have drawn there, if A is parallel to B then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. बहुत सारे एंगल्स की प्रॉपर्टी होती है, दैट इज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स, इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल्स, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, ये सब प्रॉपर्टीज होती है. सारी प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. इफ ए इज पैरेलल टू बी, इफ ए इज पैरेलल टू बी, ये हो गया. देन एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 5. एंगल 1, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू एंगल 5. तो यहाँ पे कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी लगेगी? देखिए दोनों एंगल्स बाहर की तरफ हैं, और ऐसी जब भी कंडीशन होती है तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? उसको बोलते हैं करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. सो फर्स्ट आंसर विल बी करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. नेक्स्ट, इफ एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 6, यानी अगर हम देखें एंगल 4 और 6 कहां पे लाई कर रहा है, 4 इज हेयर एंड 6 इज हेयर, दिस इज एंगल 4 एंड दिस इज एंगल 6, एंड देन ए इज पैरेलल टू बी, बिल्कुल. और यहाँ पर देखिए जेड बन रहा है. जब भी कहीं पे जेड बनता है तो वहां पे जो अंदर के दोनों पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. जैसे यहाँ पे आपको जेड बना रहे हैं, तो इफ दीज टू लाइंस आर पैरेलल और इसके अंदर वाले दोनों एंगल्स हमेशा इक्वल होंगे, दैट आर कॉल्ड ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. तो आंसर विल बी, दिस आंसर विल बी ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. नेक्स्ट, angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180, then A is parallel to B. Angle 4 plus 5, so 4 plus 5 अगर हम देखें, so these are the angles on the same side of transversal. A is parallel to B and this line is transversal, so these are the angles which are present on the same side of transversal, hence their sum is 180 degree. So interior angles on same side of transversal, transversal are supplementary, and in short we can also write co-interior angles. The pair of co-interior angles are also supplementary. Angle 4 and angle 5, angle 4 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180 degree co-interior angles, and angle 3 plus 6 will be also equal to 180 degree if A is parallel to B. Next question, I am taking the second question of this exercise. In the adjoining figure, this is the figure, pair of corresponding angles. You have to tell the pair of corresponding angles. So we will see the corresponding angles 1 and 5. 1 and 5 corresponding angles. First pair is angle 1 comma angle 5. First pair is this. Second pair 2 and 6. 2 and 6. So angle 2 comma angle 6. Third pair 4 and 8. Angle 4, angle 8, and fourth pair is 3 and 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. These are the pair of corresponding angles. Next, pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles में क्या होता है? Z बनता है. So we will see where the Z is formed. This is parallel to this. So देखिए पहला Z यहाँ form हो रहा है. So 3 is equal to 5. So angle 3, comma angle 5. First pair ये हो जाएगा हमारा. दूसरा 2 and 8. So angle 2 comma angle 8. These are the pairs of alternate interior angles. And next is the pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So 3 plus 8 co-interior angles, that is angle 3 plus angle 8, that is 180 degree, and 2 plus 5, angle 2 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180 degree. These are the angles which are present on the same side of transversal. So first pair is 3 and 8, second pair is 2 and 5. Next, vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? 1 and 3. So angle 1 comma angle 3, first pair is this, second is 1 3 2 4, angle 2 comma angle 4, third is 5 7, next is 6 or 8. 5 7, angle 5, angle 7, and next is 6 and 8, angle 6 comma angle 8. This is the answer of last. So students, we can see the question number 3 here. in adjoining figure, this is the figure. In adjoining figure, P is parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles. You have to find the unknown angles. The unknown angles are A, B, C, D, E. So there are 5 unknown angles in question number 3. First of all, I will find the value of E. So देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे this is a P is a straight line. सबको पता है P is a straight line. So 125 plus E. Solution. 125 plus E will be equal to 180 degree. Linear pair property. If the angles are present on a straight line, then their sum is 180 degree and we can write as linear pair property. So here angle E will be is equal to 180 minus 125. So we will get 180 minus 125. So answer will be 10 minus 5, that is 5, and 17 minus 12, that is 5. 55 degree. Angle E will be equal to 55 degree. Now angle E will be equal to angle F, vertically opposite angle. So angle E will be equal to, we can write as angle E. Angle E will be equal to angle F will be equal to 55 degree, and we can write as vertically opposite angle. This short form of vertically opposite angle, VOA. Now angle F is equal to 55 degree. Now if P is parallel to Q, P and Q both are parallel, and this line T is transversal. P is parallel to Q and T is transversal, then the pair of corresponding angles are also equal. So we will see that angle E and A, angle E will be equal to A equal to 55 degree corresponding angles, and angle E will be equal to angle A and C will be equal to angle A, vertically opposite angle. That means angle E will be equal to angle A, angle E will be equal to angle A will be equal to 55 degree corresponding angles. Now we can see that angle E हो गया, angle A भी हो गया. We will see angle C. So angle C will be equal to angle A, vertically opposite angles. I have taught you. Angle C is equal to angle A will be equal to 55 degree, that is vertically opposite angle. So इसका भी क्या आ जाएगी वैल्यू 55 degree, that is vertically opposite angles. And now अब देखेंगे ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. These are two parallel lines and T is transversal, therefore this angle is 125. So angle D will be also equal to 125, that is the corresponding angle. So angle D will be equal to, angle D will be equal to 125, and we can write as corresponding angles. ये हो गया. And angle D will be equal to angle B. You can see these are forming the pair of vertically opposite angles. So angle D will be equal to angle B will be equal to 125 degree, and these are forming a pair of vertically opposite angles. So this is the answer of question number 3. I will see once again. Angle E 55, angle E is equal to angle F, vertically opposite, that is 55. This is 125, so angle D will be 125. Corresponding angles, D is equal to B, vertically opposite angle, that is 125, and A is equal to C is equal to 55, vertically opposite angle. क्लियर है यहाँ तक. अब बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की तरफ. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4? यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x if L is parallel to M. So here L is parallel to M and T is transversal. So pair of vertically opposite angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. So we can see that this is 110. So we can firstly find this angle. We can find this angle. So we will let as y. So 110 plus y will be equal to 180 degree, and this property is called linear pair property or angle in a straight line. So we will get as angle y 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Angle y की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? 70 डिग्री आ जाएगी by linear pair property. Now L is parallel to M. So हम लोग देखेंगे यहाँ पे, देखिए Z बन रहा है, बिल्कुल Z बन रहा है. So x will be equal to y. Angle x will be equal to angle y will be equal to 70 degree, and by which property? Alternate interior angle property. So the answer will be 70 degree. Next बात करेंगे, L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. A is transversal. Therefore, the pair of corresponding angles are equal. So x की वैल्यू यहाँ directly 100 आ जाएगी. X is equal to, angle x is equal to 100 degree, and we can write as corresponding angles. So this is the final answer of second part. अब मूव करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की तरफ. इन द फिगर द आर्म्स ऑफ द टू एंगल्स आर पैरेलल, फाइंड एंगल डीजीसी. सो ये जो आर्म्स है पैरेलल है, मींस दिस इज पैरेलल टू दिस. ये आर्म्स दोनों एंगल के पैरेलल है और ये भी इसके क्या है, पैरेलल है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एंगल डीजीसी. एंगल डीजीसी ये कितना हो जाएगा? फर्स्ट पार्ट डीजीसी मींस दिस एंगल. This angle will be equal to this angle as the arms are parallel and BC is transversal. So angle DGC will be equal to 70 degree by corresponding angles property. Now angle DEF, what will be the value of angle DEF? DEF ये आ गया हमारा 70 डिग्री. अब देखेंगे एंगल DEF. तो DEF कैसे निकालेंगे? DEF since EF is parallel to BC and DE is transversal, क्योंकि आर्म्स वहां कह रहा है पैरेलल है. सो यहाँ पे BC is parallel to EF and DE is transversal. Therefore angle DEF will be equal to 70 degree by which method? Corresponding angle. So यहाँ पर हमारा खत्म हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 बहुत इजी है, उसमें आपको वही corresponding angles आपको बताना है. द पेयर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स, the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. तो वो अपने आप सब लोग कर लेंगे बुक में. और यहाँ तक हो गया है. You can see more sessions of next chapter and MCQ session will come soon in 1 or 2 days. Stay connected. Thank you. And the playlist is appearing on your screen. You can see all the videos of this chapter from the playlist.